If your Tesla Model Y camera isn't working, don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, make sure your Tesla is safely parked and turned off. Safety first, right? Next, perform a simple reboot by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds. The screen will go black and reboot itself. Check if the cameras are back online. If that didn't work, let's move to Plan B. Head to the car's menu, tap on Service. Then select Camera Calibration. Follow the on-screen instructions and let your car recalibrate its cameras while you drive. Still no luck? Check the camera lenses for any dirt or obstructions. Sometimes a quick clean with a microfiber cloth does the trick. Finally, if the problem persists, it might be time for a software update. Go to Software in the menu, and if an update is available, install it. If all else fails, it's time to contact Tesla support. They'll guide you through the next steps. And there you have it, a quick guide to getting your Tesla Model Y cameras back in action. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.